In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to PayPal with credit card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. Make sure you're signed into your PayPal account and have your credit card handy, including the billing address that's on file with your card issuer. Start by going to the PayPal website and opening your account summary. If you're using the app, the screens may look a little different, but the idea is the same. From the main account view, head to your wallet or money section. That's where PayPal keeps all your funding methods and where you can manage cards and banks. Next, look for the option that says Add Card or Bank. This is your gateway to connecting new ways to pay or move money. Clicking it will show you choices for linking a bank account or a card. Since we want to use a credit card, choose the option to link a credit card. On the credit card screen, enter your card number, expiration date, and security code and confirm the billing address. It's important that the name and address you provide match what your card issuer has on file, or the link may fail. Some prepaid or virtual cards might not be accepted, and certain regions have restrictions, so if you run into an error, double-check those details and try again. When everything looks correct, click Link Card to save it to your PayPal wallet. You may be prompted to complete a quick verification, such as a one-time security check or a small temporary authorization from your card issuer. That's normal and typically reverses automatically. Once linked, your card will appear among your payment methods and you can set it as a preferred option if you like. With the card linked, you can now add money to PayPal with a credit card where that feature is available. In many regions, you'll see an Add Money option in your wallet. Choose your card, enter an amount, and review any fees or currency conversion details before confirming. If you don't see the Add Money button, don't worry. PayPal can still use your linked card to fund payments at checkout, even if it doesn't move funds into your balance first. You can adjust funding preferences in your wallet to make sure the card is selected when you pay. That's it. You've connected your card and you're ready to use it. Keep an eye on any fees, review statements for the small verification hold, and sign out if you're on a shared device. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.